Welcome to Invest and Empower. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Podcasting for profit. Podcasting can be a profitable venture if done strategically. Here are some steps to help you monetize your podcast. Identify your niche and target audience. Determine the focus of your podcast and the specific audience you want to reach. This will help you create content that resonates with your target audience and attracts advertisers or sponsors in that niche. Research the market. Conduct thorough market research to identify existing podcasts in your potential niche. Analyze their content, target audience, and popularity. Look for gaps or underserved areas within that niche that you can fill with your unique perspective or content offering. Narrow down your audience. Define your target audience by considering their demographics, interests, challenges, and aspirations. Get specific about who your ideal listener is. This will help you create content that resonates with them and tailor your marketing efforts accordingly. Create listener personas. Develop detailed listener personas that represent different segments of your target audience. Give them names, demographics, interests, and goals. This exercise helps you understand your audience better and create content that addresses their specific needs and preferences. Engage in social listening. Monitor social media platforms, forums, and online communities related to your podcast's niche. Pay attention to discussions, questions, and problems that your target audience is talking about. This will give you insights into their needs and help you create content that addresses those needs. Conduct surveys or interviews. Reach out to your potential target audience and gather feedback through surveys or interviews. Ask questions about their interests, preferences, and challenges related to your podcast topic. This first-hand information will guide you in creating content that resonates with them. Study analytics and feedback. Once you launch your podcast, study your analytics and gather feedback from your listeners. Analyze download numbers, engagement metrics, and listener feedback to understand which episodes or topics are resonating the most with your audience. This data will help you refine and optimize your content strategy. Create high-quality content. Consistently produce valuable and engaging content that keeps your listeners coming back for more. Invest in good equipment for recording and editing to ensure high audio quality. Develop a unique and compelling podcast format that sets you apart from others in your niche. Define clear objectives. Determine the purpose and goals of your podcast episodes. What do you want your listeners to gain or learn from each episode? Having clear objectives will guide your content creation process and ensure that each episode delivers value to your audience. Plan and structure your episodes. Outline the structure and flow of your episodes before recording. This includes an introduction, main segments, interviews, discussions or features, and a conclusion. Having a well-planned structure keeps your episodes organized and easy to follow. Research and prepare. Invest time in researching your topics thoroughly. Gather relevant information, facts, statistics, and examples to support your content. Prepare a script or talking points to ensure that your episode flows smoothly and covers all the necessary information. Be authentic and engaging. Let your personality shine through in your podcast. Be yourself and speak naturally to connect with your listeners. Use storytelling techniques, humor, or personal anecdotes to engage your audience and make your content more relatable. Provide value. Aim to provide valuable and actionable information or insights to your listeners. Offer practical tips, expert advice, or thought-provoking discussions that they can apply to their lives or interests. Think about what your target audience needs or wants to know and deliver content that meets those needs. Build a dedicated audience. Grow your podcast audience by promoting it on various platforms. Utilize social media, your website or blog, and other marketing channels to attract new listeners. Engage with your audience by encouraging feedback, responding to comments, and incorporating listener suggestions into your content. Sponsorship and advertising. Seek out sponsorship or advertising opportunities once you have built a substantial listener base. Approach companies or brands that align with your podcast's niche and target audience. Offer ad spots or sponsorships within your episodes, or consider hosting dedicated sponsor segments. Provide value to your sponsors by offering metrics and insights into your audience reach and engagement. Build a solid listener base. Focus on growing your podcast audience and developing a loyal following. Sponsors are more likely to invest in podcasts with a substantial and engaged listener base. Utilize effective marketing strategies, engage with your audience, and provide valuable content to attract and retain listeners. Understand your audience, gain a deep understanding of your target audience. Consider their demographics, interests, preferences, and buying behaviors. This information will help you attract sponsors that align with your audience's interests and ensure a better fit between the sponsor's message and your podcast's content. Create a sponsorship package. Develop a sponsorship package that outlines the benefits and opportunities for potential sponsors. Include information about your podcast's reach, audience demographics, and engagement metrics. Offer various sponsorship levels, such as pre-roll or mid-roll ad placements, sponsor mentions, or exclusive sponsorship of specific segments. Research potential sponsors. Identify companies or brands that align with your podcast's niche and target audience. Research potential sponsors to understand their values, products, and marketing objectives. Look for brands that have a natural fit with your podcast's content and can provide value to your audience. Reach out to potential sponsors. Contact potential sponsors directly or through their marketing departments. Introduce your podcast, highlight your audience demographics, and explain how partnering with your podcast can benefit their brand. Customize your outreach to demonstrate why your podcast is a good fit for their target market. Crowdfunding and donations. Engage with your loyal audience by setting up a crowdfunding campaign or accepting donations. Platforms like Patreon or Ko-Fi allow listeners to support your podcast by making monthly contributions or one-time donations. Offer exclusive perks or bonus content to incentivize supporters. Merchandise and e-commerce. Create and sell merchandise related to your podcast, such as branded clothing, mugs, or accessories. Set up an online store on your website, or utilize third-party platforms like Shopify or Etsy to sell your merchandise. Promote your merchandise on your podcast and social media channels to generate sales. Affiliate marketing. Partner with relevant companies or brands as an affiliate marketer. Promote their products or services on your podcast and provide unique affiliate links or discount codes to your listeners. Earn a commission for each sale or referral generated through your affiliate links. Find relevant affiliate programs. Identify affiliate programs that align with your podcast's niche and target audience. Look for companies or brands that offer products or services that are relevant and valuable to your listeners. Research affiliate networks, individual affiliate programs, or join platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareASO, or Commission Junction. Select quality products or services. Choose products or services that you genuinely believe in and that are of high quality. Your credibility as a podcast host is vital, so it's essential to promote products that you trust and that will provide value to your audience. Avoid promoting products solely for the sake of earning commissions. Live events and workshops. Organize live events, workshops, or conferences related to your podcast topic. Offer tickets for admission and provide exclusive experiences or knowledge to attendees. Utilize ticket sales, sponsorships, and merchandise sales to generate revenue from these events. Offer premium content or memberships. Create premium content or a membership program for your podcast. Provide additional episodes, bonus content, exclusive interviews, or behind-the-scenes access to members who subscribe for a monthly or annual fee. Offer additional perks or benefits to members to incentivize subscription. Repurpose content. Repurpose your podcast episodes into other formats, such as blog posts, ebooks, or online courses. Package your expertise and knowledge gained through podcasting and sell it as digital products. Expand your reach and monetize your content in multiple ways. Remember, building a profitable podcast takes time, effort, and consistency. Focus on creating valuable content, growing your audience, and developing relationships with sponsors and listeners. Continuously evaluate and adjust your monetization strategies based on feedback, metrics, and industry trends to maximize your podcast's profitability. This is it for today's video. What do you think about our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.